start, you go through all your gears, obviously. We usually hit 135 pretty quickly, to be honest. That's our speed limit, so we don't go any faster than 135, but you'll hit 135 by half a kilometer, 500 meters, we'll be there. And then, going through the dune, same thing. It looks like we're going slow, we brake hard coming up to a dune, but when we're on the brakes, we're still going 40, 50 kilometers an hour. It's like we're coming to a stop, and then we get right back on the gas, we're back to 100 to 120. But when you come off the flats and come into the dunes, it depends. Usually, depending on time of day, if it's like noon, it's kind of hard to read like transitions and G-outs. A G-out is a transition, like a 90-degree transition, and when the car bottoms out. So I consider that a G-out. One thing you see in that video is me coming up on an unmarked danger. It was a pretty deep crevice, very sharp, and really the only reason why I saw it was because there was already a car parked on the side that had hit it. But yeah, it's just one of those things where if you're not paying attention out here, you can get bit pretty quick.
Is it fun to see the helicopter?
It's always a good time to see the helicopter. Whenever you see the helicopter, you're like, all right, it's either really good because I'm leading, or it's really bad because I'm about to get passed. So it's 50-50 shot with the helicopter, but usually I always like to give them a wave and say what's up. But yeah, that's like my favorite type of driving is in the dunes, and when you can come over like a large dune and it's downhill the rest of the way, you can see the whole ridge, you can ride the ridge. It's the best feeling. Coming over a ridge, you can see the ridge to the left, the ridge to the right, and the crevice in the middle. You can plan whatever you want. You can pick the fastest line no matter what, just because, well, as long as there's not a waypoint. Not a lot of people get to experience what we do on a day-to-day basis out here. We see the craziest stuff. So to have a GoPro on the car and to be able to come back and show everybody what went on is obviously super awesome. And we take it, we study, we learn, and try to improve the next day.